Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make a soy black tea latte. Black tea lattes are a great alternative to regular coffee lattes if you're trying to cut back on caffeine or you're just not really into the coffee taste. Basically, what a black tea soy latte is concentrated black tea, steamed soy milk, and you can add sugar to it. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take our black tea bags and we're gonna make a concentrate out of them. And then we're gonna steam some soy milk and add that to the top of it. So basically the first step is to take your serving cup, take out 2 black tea bags, place those in the bottom of the cup. You're gonna add hot boiling water halfway up the serving cup, and you're gonna allow the tea bags to steep for about 2 to 3 minutes. While they're steeping, you're gonna go ahead and prepare your soy milk. Now, you're gonna take your carafe and fill it up halfway with soy milk. Take your soy milk, and you're going to take it over to your espresso machine. You're going to insert the soy milk into the steam wand. Turn your wand on high. As the steam wand is on, you're going to pull your cup down just a bit so that you could scratch the surface of the soy milk for 2 to 3 seconds, and you'll hear a scratching sound. After that, you're going to resubmerge the steam wand completely under the soy milk and let it continue until you hear a rumbling or the carafe becomes too hot to touch. Once the soy milk is done steaming, you're then going to remove your tea bags from your serving cup, and you're going to add the soy milk to the top of your serving cup. You can add honey, you can add sugar, maple syrup, or artificial sweetener, whatever you prefer to sweeten the beverage. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make a soy black tea latte.